Twetch is a social media platform built on Bitcoin. That statement alone might drive a lot of potential users away, but bear with me, you'll thank me later. Twetch uses a completely different business model than all mainstream social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube harvest your information, then regurgitate ads recommended for you. These companies make billions of dollars in ad revenue, all made possible by the invasion of your privacy. Twetch, on the other hand, uses microtransactions. Now, what this means is that every transaction that you have on Twetch makes a small percentage of the money that you pay to make that interaction. Wait, did you say paid? I have to pay to use Twetch? This is the best part. Yes, you must use very small amounts of Bitcoin every time you make a post or interact with someone else's posts. However, when someone interacts with your post, you get paid for that. For example, if I make a post, it costs me 2 cents. If I get a like on that post, I make 4 cents. If the post gets branched, which means shared or retweeted, I make 1 cent for that. And if that post that was branched gets liked, I make 2 cents, and the person that branched it makes 2 cents. You still with me? Now, if directly monetizing your content is not your thing, perhaps not ever seeing an ad on Twetch may be. You own your own data, your hobbies and your interests are not being logged, there is no algorithm. All of this is possible and only possible by using Bitcoin. Obtaining Bitcoin to get started is as simple as signing up. Twetch gives you 10 cents to get you posting right away. After that, there's a number of different ways to top up your Bitcoin wallet. My personal favorite being to simply profit from Twetch by posting great content. If you can use Twitter, you can use Twetch, and you'll be glad you made the switch. If Twetch isn't exactly what you're looking for, I hope that this video at least helps you start thinking outside of the social media box. Thank you for watching.